guys, welcome to TechZoo. Today we are going over the 1,360 question number of days between two dates in Python. So write a program to count the number of days between two dates. The two dates are given as strings. The format is like this. Okay, so the given dates are valid dates between the years 1971 and 2100. Yeah, so looks like it's a pretty new question, and it's a Facebook Amazon question. Okay, well, this question can be really hard, but if you're coding in Python, and you should know that Python has a lot of built-in functions, and you have to take advantage of them. So for this question, we'll import date time, because there is a built-in function called date that takes in the year, month, and date. Yeah, so this is a built-in function, and basically we can just return date 1 minus date 2 dot days absolute value. Yeah, so yeah, it's kind of hard to understand it right now, but I will just code it, and you should be able to understand it because it's all like built-in Python functions. So it's really just know that there is such a built-in function and use that. Okay, let me just code it up. First of all, in order to get the date, months, and year, we have to use the split function. Okay, split method. So let's say s1 is equal to date 1 split. Because it's in the dash format, so if we split by dash, we'll get all these strings. We also will do that for day 2, and we split them. Okay, and then we use the Python's built-in function to pass in 3 integers of year, month, and date. So the split function only outputs strings, so you first have to convert into an integer.